Hello, this is JF, and I'm going to be presenting today a system that you guys can use to improve your carbon footprint and reduce your uh, greenhouse emission gas. The This is an example based in my country, Canada, and in my province of Quebec. So if you go in Google and search, for example, Canada climate change, it's going to take you to a climate action map. And then from there, this is for North America, but a similar system exists in Europe, in Asia, Africa, South and North America. So you 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 should have something similar in your area if you're somewhere else in the world. So you go to your area and you can find what programs are available. Those are not regulations. These are just like programs that encourage municipalities and organizations to improve their environmental performance. So, for example, this is a program that's in my area. It's a municipality. They have asked for support to implement an asset management program, which is financed up to 90% of a maximum of $50,000. And this has been approved, and they just need to implement the action plan and prove that they've made a difference, and then they're going to be reimbursed for their expenses. In Canada, the way that this works is it's usually not managed directly by the government. There's federations and institutions that manage these things. So they have employees and personnel that will manage this with the municipalities and the end users. So this is, for example, the Federation of Canadian Municipalities, and they have the authority on behalf of the government to support, help, and finance these projects. So in some provinces deal directly with the federation. Some other provinces have their own system, and it's the case of where I live. So you go through the Minister of Municipal Affairs, and they will deal with the FCM on your behalf. So you just have to go there, and you'll find all of the requirements, the regulation, the guidance, and the means of compliance for your showing that you're compliant with the requirements, so that you can get your money. And so what I've done here is a GitHub system where you can fork if you want, or just look at what I've done. It's basically taking the regulatory requirement, putting them into a Google spreadsheet with the documentation of the means and proof of compliance, so that you can show the authorities that you have a system, it's in use, and it's compliant with the requirements, so that you can get paid for what you've done. So what I've done is the FCM already has a system. You can use that, but you can also do your own system, so that the documents are not as static. They're more dynamic, and they can be filtered or reorganized, so that you to help you in showing your compliance. There's also requirements for doing some analysis, some statistics and things, so that you can even have a better compliance. You can show where your energy resources are going. There's different graphs and system that can be used. This is like just project management and directed cyclic graphs that show how you can connect your different resources to optimize your processes, and thereby reduce your carbon footprint and improve your operation and be a better for the environment. There's all kinds of things here. So that's the GitHub. You're welcome to visit it. And if you want to see more specifically what it looks like, this is a list of the requirement, and in this system you would document all of the obligation, and who has done what and when, and who has verified and what is accomplished. This is basically based on the ISO 9001 system where you document your proof, you analyze the performance of the systems with a PAIR. PAIR is an acronym in English that stands for Performance Evaluation and Assessment Report. So you get a KPI, a key performance indicator, from 1 to 5, 1 being the system is not operational and not compliant, to 5, which is a system which is completely operational and functional and delivering its objectives. And then you also can evaluate the risk. Same thing, 1 to 5, 1 low risk and 5 very high risk. And OPP is the opportunity for improvement. So that's always something that you want to be doing, always continuously improving, which is the idea here with these asset management and process improvement, so that we're making a better environment and helping the planet with its resources, and future generation will have the same opportunity and privileges that my generation had. So that's it. I hope that's been useful and interesting. Please don't hesitate to comment or contact me if you have questions. I'll be very happy to interact and support you if I can. Thank you very much. And this is JF signing off right now. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.